So I came into Gruene, Texas on my way to Lazy J Cajun where I had a gig. Gruene is a really small town that's located right next to New Braunfels. It's got a strong German influence to it, strong German history, and it's between San Antonio and Austin. And I like walking around Gruene. It's a pretty walkable area, at least as small Texas towns go. You can find a bunch of interesting looking storefronts, a bunch of interesting buildings there, and it's got a relaxing feel. You can feel the nature nearby, and that's one of the reasons why it's a big little tourist area. A lot of folks come in there and stay in nice lodging right by the river, and that's the Guadalupe River that they have right next to the area. As you're walking about beyond some nice restaurants in the area, you can also find some music scattered about in a bunch of different places. So on this day I found some at the place called Cactus Jacks, which now has been renamed to Wichita Reds, where I caught Colleen Michelle Miller playing there. She's an artist touring around the hill country, songwriter. They also have a public picnic area around the area where you can find live music and people hanging out too. And Green Grove is another little area, kind of a little more secluded, but you could walk down in there and find music playing typically on their stage. Find some brats at the little food truck there. Grant Ewing was playing the time I stopped by there. And of course, you've got Green Hall right in the mix, nearby all these things. It's a historic musical venue with a big crowd that is a bit rowdy, but they're also really attentive too, especially for certain artists that they just really love there at Green Hall. Now I found some food at Gristmill River Restaurant and Bar. It's a big old place. It's got a lot of people who eat there and a lot of people waiting in line too. They got a whole little section to wait before they call you up, and I got the catfish. So ultimately I made my way down to Lazy J Cajun. People started trickling in and we had a pretty good crowd there. They were drinking and ordering their crawfish, and I had my music dialed up pretty loud for that big old open space. Driving this old truck far as it'll go till it breaks down on the side of the road. Turning this old engine till it turns into smoke, and it breaks down on the side of the road. Well, it's a long, long time. We got a long way to go before we break down on the side of the road. So that's a look at the Gruene area of Texas and the Texas Hill Country. Now I'm posting a bunch of different videos about the Texas music scene on my YouTube channel, so be sure to check out all those videos on my channel. Hit that bell and subscribe to stay tuned on my posts. Let me know what else I should check out, and thanks for your support.